Bug habitat.
La 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 la. You think? I didn't want you to hear what Al said. This is going on today. Is that all right?
Yep.
So say hello, hardware
Hi.
science. Here we are. What I'm going to do is we're going to try to think like a scientist.
Okay.
Think. The scientists spend most of their time thinking. And I've got a couple of objects here that we made. I think I bought this one, and I made this one. Yeah. Didn't we make this one?
Yes.
Yeah. So we made this one. This one we found. Paid a couple of bucks for that one. And they have a similar purpose.
Okay.
So I want you to give me some guesses. And everybody in the studio that didn't hear, give a guess. And I've got some buttons here to push.
Okay.
So, Ada, this is a...
It's a tea holder. You make tea in it, of course.
No.
Okay. Oh, I know.
You know.
It's a broccoli steamer.
Broccoli steamer.
Yes.
I have an asparagus steamer myself.
Is it a candle holder?
A candle holder? Oh, you
Yes.
mean like Faraday's
Yeah.
cage? Oh, the Faraday, Sir Humphrey Davy safety lantern? So the flame wouldn't... Yeah, that's a really good idea.
No.
Something you put like delicate clothes in to wash them.
Oh, I've seen things like that.
Something
Little
like that kind.
baskets you put,
Yeah.
you put little baby socks and things in, you know.
N-O.
Anybody out here in the studio? What do you think?
It's a snake cage.
Flower sifter.
Yeah.
No.
CJ,
No.
close. I tell you what, we went to the ACE show a few weeks ago in Atlanta, and we had these there, and we posed the same question, and let's see if we can figure out, and actually you can make one of these and they're very useful. They're kind of fun. We'll see what it is. So let's watch and see. Hey, here we are at, what town are we in?
Atlanta.
We're in Atlanta, Georgia, with my friend Jose.
Jose.
How do you spell it?
Josie.
Oh, Josie. But she says Jose because she has an attitude. So we're going to do a little hardware science here at the ACE convention. And you've been to many of these, haven't you?
Yep.
I've known you for years.
Yep.
Well, here, give me a handshake. Hey, wizard handshake. Remember? Hey, there you go, wizard handshake. So I'm going to put a little mental squeeze on Josie. See if she can figure out what this is.
It looks like a bird feeder.
Oh, she got it. Bird feeder. Why do you think it's a bird feeder?
Because I can tell by the wiring.
You can tell by the wiring?
So then you can put the seed in, and then the birds can just kind of stick their beaks through and kind of nibble at it.
Oh, you think a bird's going to get through that little bitty hole?
Maybe.
Little bitty bird? You're going to make those birds crabby. Crabby birds trying to get that bird seed. Well, it's really not a bird feeder.
Yeah.
It's something else. Well, see, what did I make it out of? Everything I got at the hardware store. What did I make it from?
Looks like chicken wire.
Chicken wire, very good, or hail screen it's called too.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
And
is
it looks
this?
like you cut off pieces of like a jar.
A jar. Where do you think the bottom half of this jar is? See, I cut it off right there, right?
Yeah.
I cut the top of the jar off. Where do you think the bottom of the jar is? Keep looking.
There.
There it is. She found it. Was almost lost. At the top of the jar, and somehow mysteriously the bottom of the jar down there. I'm embarrassing you, aren't I? Mm-hmm. And how did I say I wrapped it? What are these things right here?
Bolts.
Bolts, nuts and bolts, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then I put a little, what is this?
Like a hook thing.
A hook thing. That's what we got right there at the hardware store. Go and ask it for a hook thing. It's called an eye bolt. Now you know, right?
Yep.
Because I am the wizard.
Yes.
It's an eye bolt.
An eye bolt.
And some nuts and bolts here.
Mm-hmm.
Half a jar.
Yep.
Another half of a jar. That comes off. So besides a bird feeder for little bitty birds, what else do you think this could be?
Like you could put plants in it.
Get plants in it? Well, I'm going to give you an idea. I'm going to give you a hint. I'm going to put this in it. It's an old piece of tree branch. Mm-hmm. And that fits right in. Look at that. There we go. I'm giving her all kinds of clues. See if she can figure out what this is. It is for outdoors, yes.
I'm guessing it's like a plant holder and
Plant holder?
Like you can water it through here and
Water
then
through
it'll,
there.
it can,
She's
go
thinking.
through.
She is. She's analyzing. Is what
Yeah,
scientists
I'm pretty
do.
much out of ideas.
You want? Yeah. Okay. I'll give you another hint. I made that. See how I made it? It's a hardware store. Put this rod through here and bent it. And I think you can put that on there. Put that on there. And keep on going. Very good. No, that's too far. There you go. Look at that. Another clue.
I'm getting the idea that it's a plant holder.
I'll give you another clue. Ready?
Yep.
Right here. What is that?
It's a magnifying glass.
Magnifying glass. And look, I made a hook there to hang it on. See how that hang on there? Sweet. Look through there. What in the world would I want to put inside a little cage like that?
Bugs.
Bugs. Give that girl a hand. Bugs. So what is this thing?
It's like a bug cage.
It's a bug cage. Because I went to the store, I found it professionally made. See that professionally made one? I found a critter cage, I guess it's called.
Yep.
Critter cage. We made our own. That's a pretty sweet bug cage, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now there's one rule about collecting bugs.
Yep.
Keep them 2 days. And you gotta let them go.
Yep.
Because they got their life to lead. So you capture a bug, put it in here and you can observe it. Go in your brother's bedroom, old Flynn, you probably find crickets in his shoes or something, and put them in here and then let them go.
Yep.
After 2 days. Okay, point at it and say, bug cage.
Bug cage.
Okay, hardware science, see you.
So, Otto, what is this thing?
A bug habitat.
Yeah, and you saw we made it out of a jar and some wire and screen, right?
Yep.
It's a bug habitat, right?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an F. Yeah!
Hey, it's a bug habitat. Yes, let's get out of here. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Yes.
Yeah.